Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Hello everyone, this is Akriti Anand. I got my result in SBI Junior Associate from UP this year, and this was my second attempt. As in my previous attempt, I could not clear even pre. I could not clear it from 1 marks because it was my first year of preparation, and since I started giving banking examinations since last year, as I did my graduation in December 2018, and after that I started filling forms, and the very first exam I gave was SBI Junior Associate, SBI PO, in which I got 58 marks and the cutoff was 68 or 69. And after that I gave SBI Junior Associate, in which I couldn't clear pre, so I was very discouraged and I couldn't decide what to do, whether to do banking or not. But then I got suggestions from my friends and my parents that I should try to analyze my performance more and more. I should try to find my mistakes, my errors, what I should do that I could improvise my performance. So I did, and I practiced a lot. I watched videos from IBPS Guide channel on reasoning, English and maths, and obviously GA, because when the SBI clerk admit card came of mains, Abhijit sir used to go on a live session of banking current affairs, and he used to cover all those topics of banking and finance and other current affairs. So it was very helpful. I mean, I think I watched it on a daily basis, and it was very helpful for me in the exam. So thank you, Abhijit sir, and thanks to Guidely team for providing the best content. And I attempted 91 questions in pre, in which I got 85 marks, that I got to know after the clerk admit card came. Because after I gave SBI clerk and the pandemic happened, I was very dubious. I mean, I was very dicey. I didn't know whether I'll clear it or not, because I got a little bit discouraged because exams were not happening and I didn't know whether the exams will happen or not. But somehow SBI clerk admit card came and I was very happy. To the banking aspirants, I want to say that you should never lose hope. You should never lose faith in yourself. Just keep practicing, because practice will make you better. And just start analyzing your performance, because practice giving mock test and analyzing your performance will help you a lot, will help you recognize your abilities and strengths and help you analyze your mistakes. So just keep doing that and don't lose hope in yourself. God has a plan for everyone. And if you're thinking that why it has not come to you or why it is not coming to you, it will come to you. Maybe it will come late, but it will eventually come to you. So don't lose hope and just keep practicing. And I'm very happy that this year I got selected, because being the eldest girl of my house, it was very difficult for me to prove myself that I could do something. So I'm very happy for it. Thank you.